Our economy naman in the Philippines has been growing in the past 3 years around 5 to 6% a year. Based on statistics, it's supposedly one of the fastest in Southeast Asia, maybe number one, number two. But from a businessman's point of view, like me, I am very impatient. Why I'm patient? I think 5 or 6% a year economic growth for the Philippines is underperformance. Underperformance, ibig sabihin, this guy could be a gold medalist, pero pasang-awa lang ang nangyayari.
Underperforming our potential, di ba?
Yes, in the Philippines today, the reality, the unvarnished reality, we have 60 to 70% poor. The Government Statistics Bureau claims the poverty is like 10, 20, 30%. But I researched the estimates, the various estimates, the surveys of people who are poor, who feel they are poor. I think my estimate is 60 to 70% of people are poor. And based on my estimates, in order for the Philippines to overcome poverty, you need double-digit economic growth every year. Ibig sabihin, your economic growth should be 10, 11, 12% every year. Not 1 year.
Did we ever reach that point before in a president?
I could not.
Anyone?
I could not remember
Malayo.
in my life.
Malayo.
Maybe the highest, maybe 7, 8%. But I'm disappointed because we should not be fooled. I think the president is well-meaning. I am impatient because I go out in the streets, I see people. There are still many beggars in the streets, maybe more homeless people, and in the provinces. I am worried that we are not maximizing the full potentials of the Philippines. And also, for the past 2 years, last year and this year, a lot of business people are complaining. Small, medium enterprises, businesses are not happy with what's happening. So economy is not at its best now.